What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is June, so that means that it is Pride Month, so enjoy this fun festive rainbow look today. So to start off with, I'm using the LA Colors concealer just to prime my eyelids before I apply any eyeshadow. And the first color that I will be using is a yellow color from the Back to Brazil palette, and I'm just applying that slightly above my crease, and I'm using tapping motions just to start off with, just so I could get that bright vibrant color that I'm looking for. Also using the Back to Brazil palette, I'll be using a reddish orange, and I'm applying that slightly underneath the yellow that I was applying to my lid. And again, I'm using tapping motions just to pack the color onto the lid. Using the same LA Colors concealer that I used to prime my eyelid before the eyeshadow, I'm going to be creating a cut crease, and I start off by applying some in the middle and opening up my eyelids, and wherever it lands on the top, I use that as an outline to create the cut crease. So now using the James Charles palette, I'm going to be using a dark purple, and I'm going to be applying that along where I did the cut crease set, and I'm just smudging that into my eyelid to create more definition into the eye and the look. After that, I went back in with the orange reddish color just to apply any color where I felt like it was fading at. And using that same dark purple, I am now going on the outer corner of my eye and applying it just right there on the outer corner, because the rest will be filled with different colors. I will now be applying a vibrant blue from the James Charles palette, and I'm applying that right next to the purple, but still leaving space on my lid for more colors. And as I'm adding each color, I'm kind of blending it into the previous color just so that I could blend well. So now using a lime green from the Back to Brazil palette, I'm applying that next to the blue, but also applying it into the blue. And now I'm applying that same yellow that I used on the cut crease on the inner corner of my eye. And then to sharpen it up, I will be using that same concealer that I used to prime my lid. And I'm using that to sharpen up the look so I can be ready for the eyeliner that I'm about to do. Using a white liquid liner from NYX, I will be creating a sharp winged eyeliner. So now that my eyes are all done, I'm just moving on to my face, and I'm using the Baby Skin Poreless Primer, and I'm applying that all over my face. I've used this in my previous videos, and it's so soft. Like, I really love this primer. And before starting anything, I did do my eyebrows already, and I will have that in one of the information cards above. You can view that tutorial, like, comment, whatever. I already did my eyebrows, so I wouldn't have to keep recording it. And now moving on to foundation, I'm using my Fenty Beauty foundation. And I already applied that off camera, so now I'm using the LA Pro Concealer to just conceal my face and do all that. And here to set my foundation and concealer, I'm using my Mary Kay Translucent Loose Powder. So in order to get that skin glowing and not looking all caked up, I'm using setting powder just to try and set my face a little bit. Then I'm going in with my Lisa Frank bronzer and my Tarte blush, and I already applied that. So now I'm going in with the green and then the purple, and then I'm using the red on the outer corner. And to blend that all together, I'm using the yellow on the bottom for my waterline. And I've already done my eyelashes. I do have a tutorial on that, so I'll be putting that on the information cards above. And you guys can just go click the link and watch my tutorial on that. Please like and comment on there as well. Now to get my face glowing even more, I am applying some highlighter. Then I'm going in with the NYX Liquid Suede in a color blue for my lips. Pride, just having everything all bright and fun and festive. So I'll be applying that on my lips. And now I'm applying more setting spray just to set the whole face. And this is the finished look, everyone. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, subscribe. If you don't, then I don't care, but it would be very greatly appreciated. I hope you enjoyed this Pride look for the month of June. Thank you everyone for watching.